of our clients, they come with a plot and they want to construct and build on it a villa or a detached house or even a palace. So I want to ask my friend engineer Farah today, in which stage it's preferable or more recommended to contact the interior design and architecture company for assistance.
Thank you, Naya, for asking me this important question. Actually, I have to highlight that we welcome our clients in whatever stage they are in or the project is in. So we have many cases every day. Some clients come with an existing project, so they have already old drawings with them done by a previous consultant or contractor, architect, or even from the developer side. Also, we have other cases that clients come with an under construction project, so they have space planning layout with them and they have built up drawings and they want us to follow up and continue from there, edit and change and whatever. Also, we have a case that they have a plot, they don't have any idea or anything in their hands to do. And here we highly recommend our clients to come in the very first stage, because the interior designer has this future vision about how your decoration or how your house will look like in the future. Working with your architect or interior designer from the very beginning is important to meet your goals and needs in the project, and at the same time achieve what is architecturally correct.
I totally agree with you, Farah. Honestly, when the client comes at the early stages and asks for our assistance, it's easier for us and more flexible to change the zoning and to decide the function of each space, of course following his vision and his identity and the interior design style he wants. And also, actually, it reduces the cost because there will be less changes in the plan of the spaces. So yeah, I totally agree with you. Thank you so much for sharing your important information today with us, and see you in the next video.